Hello everyone. Here we are going to see about Zoho CRM, and I am in the Zoho CRM homepage. Here we can see some fields and quick task box and homepage setups, and now we are going to see one by one, and I can customize the homepage as like I want. Here we can see the classic view, and this is my homepage and manager's homepage, and the option for customize homepage. And classic view just to show a task in a list view, and manager's homepage this is the manager's homepage, and we can able to customize the homepage. Here we have the option. By going into the page, we can see the new homepage. Here we have the option for add new homepage. If we have the CEO, and we have add CEO's homepage like that. And in homepage we can see the option, these three dots, which indicates add component, reorder and view in full screen. In add component we can add new fields. If we want anything in our home page, we can add it here. I am going to show you that add component. Here it asks for dashboard, custom view and widgets. I'm just going to select dashboard, and here we can have the options. I'm going to choose accounts this month, and it asks for component name. We can select the name for this field. I am going to add it as office account. So I'm going to save. So this page will appear here, office accounts. So this one was I created, now this will appear here. And next one is reorder. Reorder means we can rearrange these blocks wherever we want just by clicking this one. So like this we can move our field blocks wherever we want as per our priority. Next, we want to fix this one, we can save this, otherwise we can cancel this one. Next, view in full screen means it will show this page in a full screen mode. And next we are going to see about this task box. This one is the search box. Here we can able to search if I want anything immediately, means for example if I am going to search gmail.com, so it shows the leads who are having the Gmail contacts. So it gives the data who are having Gmail IDs, it will shows here. Not only Gmail, we can search with the phone number, names, whatever we want. And this one is alert signals, in which we can configure this one. If I go into that page, it's getting more time. Yeah, here is the signal settings. If we integrate our email with our Zoho CRM, and if we select this field, we can get alert for every mail to our email. Likewise, if we receive any call, we can get the alerts or campaigns or sales or desk. And other than that, we have Facebook, Twitter, and like this. By selecting those fields, we can get the alerts from our CRM itself. And next one is this one is for adding the details. If we want anything to add immediately, means we can use this one. For example, if we want any leads contacts, we can add it here itself instead of going and searching here, and quickly add here itself. This is the lead information. I can add the lead details here itself. So likewise, we can see contact, accounts, deal, task, meeting or calls, whatever we want to add immediately, we can add it here itself. And next one is calendar. This is the calendar, and we can expand this one. In calendar, we can see day wise, week or month wise. If we want to add any task or any other calls, we can schedule it here itself. And I am going to just click here, and I can see new meeting, appointment or mark as unavailable. And here also we have the options for create a task, and we can here option for import, export or go to the date, etc. So if I want to add any new meeting, here I can see this page, and we can select the date from date to date along with the time, and we can add the participants and whether it is repeated or reminders, whatever we want we can add. And also we can see the option for add more details. So if we want anything in the description, we can add, and if we want to remain before 10 or 15 minutes, we can add it here. So these are the features in this Zoho calendar. So for example, I am going to add here the new meeting. So I am going to save. Okay, I am just going to create, so we can see it here. So with that, we can see a weekly report, and we can see the overall the month. So what are all the tasks in that month, we can see it here itself. And next one is setup page. Here we can see the setup page, and we can able to customize many things in this setup page itself. For example, in general setup, we can see the personal settings, company details, calendar booking and motivator, etc. I am just clicking the personal setting. So this is my profile, and this is the information, and we can add first name, second name, anything we want we can change. And we can also choose the theme color. Here I have the blue color. If I want different, means I can choose here. Once I selected, it will be changed like this. So like this, which color we want, we can choose. Next, company details. In company details, we can add our company details. whatever we want we can add, and we can also choose our business hours, and we have the edit option. So we have choose the 24 into 5 days or 24 into 7 days. Otherwise we can custom our hours. I choose 9 to 5 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. So this is how we can choose our business hours, and here is for the holidays. And next one is calendar booking. Calendar booking is nothing but the same as the calendar feature we have seen before. Here itself we can see and manage our calendars. Just I'm going to click my calendar, so it shows my meetings. So we can save it here itself, or we can create the calendar here itself. Next one is motivator is nothing but we can motivate our employees by creating some tasks. And I'm going to access motivator. So open new tab. And here we can see target, games, achievements and teams, etc. So here we have to create our new team, and we can fix our tasks, and for the achievers we can give the rewards like this. That purpose only we can see the motivator. We have the dashboard. Here also on dashboard is there, so it shows no component added yet. So I'm going to close this one. Next I move to this one. Okay, now we are going to see the field one by one. This is the leads field. In leads we can see our leads one by one along with their photo, and we have the option for list view, Kanban view and canvas view. Now I am in canvas view. If we want list view we can change this. Okay, this is the list view of leads, and here we can see the create lead option, and we can also import leads. If we have anything in Excel or Word, we can import the leads from there to here. Okay, now I'm going for the canvas view. Okay, here if I'm choosing some contacts, I can see the fields here. One is run macro, send email, create tasks, tags and actions. Run macro is nothing but we can set some defaultly change. If we want to change something, if we want to add something for a particular contacts, we can change it here. Instead of change one by one, we can change for a bulk leads. I'm going to show you. Already I have created one macro and I am going to create another one. So first I have to create the name of the macro. So here I am going to select country. If we want any description, we can add it here. So I am going to here we can see the option for send email, update field or task. If we want to send any email, we can select it here. If we want to update any field, we can select it here, or you want to add task for the particular leads, we can add it here. So I'm going to update a field. So I'm going to change the country name for those 3 leads. So I'm going to select this one. So country, I'm going to select it as, for example, I'm going to select it as Australia. So if you want anything to add additionally, here I can add another field. So I'm going to change the company name. So I'm going to change the company name is Lentra. Once I have selected this one, and I am going to click this create option. And here I can see the one new macro called country, and I am going to press the back button. So for these 3 contacts, I am going to change country and company name field. So I am going to run this country macro. So once we selected this one, we can run the macro. After completion, we can see the leads, company name and country as okay. Here we can see the company name as Lentra and the country as Australia. The company name is Lentra. So likewise, for these 3 contacts, I was changed the company name and the country name. So if we want any task to done for more than 1 or 3 leads, we can use these operations. Can use the run macro operation. And if you want to send any bulk mails, we can choose this one, and create tasks for the particular leads, we can use this one. And tags, if we want to add any new tags, we can add it here. And these are the action field. Here we can have the option for mass update, add to companions, update response, print mailing labels, and etc. And likewise, we can see the contacts as like leads field. Here is same as leads field. Contact field also appears same along with their photo. It shows all the details of the contacts. And here also we have the same options for the particular operations. And next one is accounts. Accounts is nothing but a company details. So it shows the companies with their phone number, address and website, etc. If we want to create new account, we can go into this create new account, and here we can see the details. Similarly, we can see the option for deals, tasks, meeting, calls, reports, projects, etc. And meetings, if we want to add any new meetings, we can add it here also. Similarly, calls, and it shows the list of my meetings of the particular date. Similarly, calls, this is the report page. Here we can see the option for all report, my report, favorites, etc. And here we have the option for create report. Similarly, we can see many fields. If you want to add anything we can add it here in the top of the home page. For example, if I want to add solution, and I'm going to click this solution, instead of that one, we can see the solution here itself. So similarly, if we want anything frequently we used, means we can add it in the top. And other than that, we can have the option for create new model. If we want other than this field, we can add new one. So we can see the option for create new. And in this setup page, here we can see the option for automation and workflow rules. Here we can define our workflow rules and schedules, actions, assignment rules, scrolling rules, segmentations, etc. And in customization, we can see the models and fields. To add the new model or fields, we can add it here by using the new models. And pipelines, templates, canvas, and customization of home page. In templates, if you want to add or create any new template for sending mails to the customer, means instead of searching and creating new templates, we can choose the templates from here itself. For example, I am going to create one template. So here I am going to choose favorite one. If I have anything, I have sent any mail, that one is my favorite, it will appear here. Here there is, I didn't do anything, so it didn't show anything. So I'm going to just click new template. So next, here I can see the menu option: basic template, celebrations, invitation, follow up, or product information and notification, etc. For example, I am going to choose the product promotion. I'm going to choose this one. So here is the one sample template. Here I can change the company name. Here I can change my company name, and I can edit this content as like I want. Similarly, celebration. Here we can change the company name. And we can change this text, and we have the option for change the background colors, etc. So likewise we can create the template as like we want. So these are all the things I have seen in the Zoho CRM, and thank you for your cooperation. See you, bye bye.